acronym BMS stands for Battery Management System, which is a system that connects wires between battery serial blocks and monitors the batteries to turn the power on and off. One of the key functions of BMS is the balancing feature that ensures the voltage between battery serial blocks remains the same. It works by consuming the energy of high-voltage battery blocks as heat to maintain voltage consistency. There are two main connection methods for battery management systems. The first type is an independent BMS that uses a charging connector with a negative C terminal and a discharging connector with a negative P terminal. The second type is a BMS that uses only one negative C terminal for both charging and discharging. However, it may be inconvenient to use a single connector for charging and discharging, so connectors can be added in parallel to separate charging and discharging.